So hey guys, my name is Ware and you are watching Warrior Ware. So in this video we are going to make the review of graphic creation workshop. So before going to the members area of graphic creation workshop, so I will like to tell you that this is an course video which will help you to upgrade yourself in designing fields, artistics and other things. So this is an play where you will learn how to design anything. So before going to the members area, I will like to tell you that I have created 14 plus custom bonuses for you. So what you just need to do here, you have to go to the description and click on the link on the description. So guys, after clicking on the link below in the description, you will land on this page where you will going to read about all the things which you should know something about graphic creation workshop. So guys, I want to like to tell you that the name is such a disgusting because I couldn't speak it properly. The name should be graphic designer workshop maybe, but I couldn't speak it because my tongue is flickering on telling the graphic creation. I want to tell it like graphic designer workshop. So why, I don't know. Vendor has created such a type of interesting name, so let's forget it. After clicking on the link below in the description, you will land on this page which is a bonus page preview. And what is the title of the post? Graphic creation workshop review for beginners. So this you will get to read here, and what is graphic creation is all about. All the things are written here, and just sliding below you will get the bonuses which I have created for you. So this is third bonus and sixth. There is 7, 8, 9. Okay, it's getting load, and 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So these are getting loading. So guys, I am telling you that these are small yellow color links which is written in grab all your bonuses here. So clicking on these links, you will get redirect to the main sale page where you will make purchase of this course, or I can tell this workshop. So which will help you to get increase in your productivity of designing and your interest career. So this is a first link where you can see here grab all your bonuses here. So when you click on these, you will be get redirect to graphic creation workshop members area of sales page. When you click on these, all the bonuses will get into your account completely when you get completely purchase the complete workshop. So what you just need to do here, so click on the grab all your bonuses here. On clicking on that, you will be get redirect to the sales page where you can make purchase, and these bonuses will automatically get into your account. Okay, so let's get forward. So after clicking the link grab your bonuses, so you will land on the main sales page of graphic creation workshop. So this is the members area, and I am in now in the members area where I will review and make you understand what actually it is. Okay, so let's start to read. Attention self publishers, artists and designers. So in this first line we can understand that this workshop is mainly, or this thing which you should buy is mainly for artists, publishers and designers who have to learn something. So learn how to turn your drawings into digital graphics that you can use in your self publishing books or sell for extra income. So means the vendor has created, or the publisher has created this for you to make your business grow, or to make such a interesting designs, drawings that will help you to publish books and makes extra income, or many more things which you can use these designs. So save yourself and publishing business with no copyright issues ever. So this is telling that publisher, you will not get any copyright issues ever if you learned this workshop. So graphic creation workshop will help you to make your hand smooth to draw any picture or any create any designs. So like such a things you can watch here. It is a demo video for you what is actually it is. So here it is written, dear friend, let me ask you a question. Would you like to create your own graphic with your own art of drawings? So obviously anyone will like to draw their own self drawings, and will like to publish their things and will make extra income. So this is an way where you can learn where you can learn and upgrade yourself to a next level. Okay, so here is simple answer, you want it. Here another situation that I keep seeing, account banned for copyrights. So you have seen such a many more time that people did not copy anyone's drawings or anyone's art, but they also get copyright because their visuals is something looking like their another's visuals. Okay, so therefore they get copyright issues. But you know that you have nothing copied, but you still get copyright issues. So next thing is that, have you seen it to lots of accounts being banned using graphics that had copyrights on them? Not sure about you, but can you imagine the heartache? So this is the most things that happens with the many designers, that they gets copyright by Google's or YouTube or any other platforms. So you now from today you don't want to be get worried about copyrights. After getting this workshop, your earnings disappeared overnight because this one graphic you used with copyrights. When I won't want anyone to go through this, let alone myself. So your vendor is telling he had faced such a problems in his life of copyright, so he made this workshop to let you know about the what happens when you get copyright, or what to copyright, or what you should make such a things that you should not get copyright, and what's a design you should create that will help you to grow your business. So would you really want to take the risk here? So even if you are just starting out and only making a couple of $100 each month, this is a lot of money to some of you out of there. Why would you risk losing it all? So do the right thing and always check your copyrights. All my images use, so keep yourself and business intact. Okay, if you are creating your own graphics, you own them, so no copyright issues ever. Okay, have you ever wanted a real way to create your own products you can sell? So this could be the way you to go. So now the introducing part, the graphic creation workshop. What is it? So this is the main logo of graphic creation workshop. So what do we cover inside the course workshop? So these part I have given in my blog, where you can read and grab my bonuses there, and let you come to this page to buy the main workshop. So that will help you to get success in your life in designing career and to grow yourself. Okay, there are a couple of free parts here. One paid tool you will need, Inkscape free download, Photoshop for coloring paid, your own drawing free. So these are giving, so these are will be given by the vendor to you. Okay, so how about some cool bonuses? So these are the bonuses which I have shown you in my post, so where you have grabbed the link. Okay, or you will go to grab the link. So these are the vendor bonuses which I have pasted in my blog. You can see this. So this will be added to your account free of cost when you purchase it, and all these will be added if you go through the link in the description and grab all the bonuses there. So now what is next? So here what our tester are saying. So these are the some testers who have used their workshop. So Simon is one of them, has telling put together a very good course here. If you are looking to improve your graphic skills, then this new course is for you. Okay, so you will learn how to create assets for use in your coloring books using your own graphics. Okay, pictures and hand drawing sketches is necessary skill if you like to create unique books of Amazon publishing. There are 7 simple and to the point step-by-step videos. Okay, this over the shoulder training will teach you how to create a line art and how to coloring them. So here the Simon is telling that he has bought this course, and he was told about the benefits and what he gained about the some creations of video art. So you will also get 3 bonus video on creating interior pages and different page type, plus how to find keywords and tips to creating book cover. What little course and great skill to learn. Okay, thank you Simon Robinsley. So this is written by publisher. So here is another person. I have been working with Simon for over 10 years. Okay, one of the best and creating custom graphics that I had pleasure of working with. This current workshop that he is offers so much more than I have ever seen. If you want to learn the process of creating coloring books, so or develop children's books, Simon is your man. Okay, so this is his name is Jonathan Murdoch. Okay, so this is two persons who have told something about their experience after purchase of this graphic creation workshop. So what you just need to do next, so you can go to the below down, there is an buy link. After grabbing the link, okay, so you can purchase here. So click the buy button right now to grab your copy today. So on clicking on this, your 14 plus custom bonuses will get to your account on complete purchase of this. So you may ask this question, what is the necessity of this workshop, why I will buy this? Here are some benefits of this course. Avoid any copyright issues that may occur as you are the owner of the graphic you have created. So this is the first thing which can happen with you. So you should, for this reason you should buy. Second thing is, making your own graphics means they are also unique to you and your books. So there should be your own thing. So it will save you from buying other high cost graphics. You will never need use free graphics that hundreds have also used. Sell your graphics to make extra money. So these are the things which you might face if you didn't buy the course, or you may face these things, okay, or you might be using the different graphics that people have, many of the hundreds people have used, and you might not get success because of you are using same graphics that people are using. So try to use different things. For this reason, this course will be much more helpful to you. The benefits from taking this workshop will allow you to create your own graphics from your own drawings. Okay, so this graphic can be used within your books or for KDP, print on demand items, website you have created, Etsy sellers, coloring books, so many more things you can do after taking this workshop. So many of the people who are designers facing copyright issue on this online marketing field and having accounts shut down, means you get copyright, your account will get shut down. You won't have this problem because you are the creator and owner of the said graphics. So if you thinking that your graphic is your own, but I don't know why some people get copyright issues. So this is a much more problems in a online marketing field. So because of that reason is the most necessary reason where you should buy this course. Okay, so let's have a recap at everything you will getting in this workshop. So everything this, okay, so the value of the bonuses which are provided to you in very free of cost, but these are given you to in free of cost, and I will also providing you the some important bonuses which will help you to in your designing field. So these are the upsells and downsells written here, and here is the buying button, another one. So just what happens on clicking on this, so Simon Newcombe, so here is the owner of this workshop who is going to attend. So what you just need to do here next, so after clicking on this early bird list, click here to join. You will be get joined into the workshop. So for that you have to make payment using your credit card, debit card, PayPal, anything else, and all the stuffs and all the bonuses which I have provided will get into your account easily within minutes. Okay, so this is the complete review, and I have made you understand so what will be benefits, disadvantages, advantages, merits. So all I have discussed in this. So I hope you have completely understand the complete graphic creation workshop. So I hope you will not in any dilemma to buy this workshop or not. So if you are interested in designing and publishing, so you should buy this course. I will only tell this. So I hope you will not get such a review. I hope you have no dilemma or doubts about this review. So I have made you understand completely. So now go to the link in the description below if you want it. So grab all the bonuses there and go to the sale page to buy this. Okay, so I will meet you in a next review video. Before that, please subscribe this channel and like the video and press the bell icon to all. I will meet you in a next review video. Thank you.